Hi there. Meet Argentum, a new programming language. Let's fire up its web playground and try out a Hello World example, plus a few more simple demos. Check out the link in the description below. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need another programming language? Well, Argentum compiles to machine code, giving you C++ and Rust level speed and memory efficiency. But here's the kicker, it's managed, it's totally safe, resilient, and free from memory leaks, data races, or deadlocks. It doesn't use garbage collector, so no sudden pauses and overheads. And here it is, the classic Hello World example. Super simple, right? Let's dive deeper. You might be thinking, there are no languages free of memory leaks. Well, in the next dozen of chapters I'll prove you that Argentum delivers. Okay, back to demos. In this program, we declare dependencies on modules for string operations and do some simple math. Yep, Argentum supports modularity, string interpolation, and all the basics, bitwise operations, integers, and floating point math in 32 and 64 bits using simple and familiar syntax. In this example, we count prime numbers within a given range. Here we import a couple of handy functions from the utils module. Fun fact, almost every loop in Argentum is just a static function that takes a lambda as its body. So we can create our own loop types, making our code more readable. Here, we define a static function. Notice how types are only declared in function definitions and nowhere else. This is a lambda that serves as our loop body. The whole function body reads as den is prime if not exists in range such that I and n modulo is 0. This code is easier to read than classic for loop. This is a local variable declaration. Here's another loop using a function and a lambda, plus a conditional expression. And in the end the already seen string interpolation. Pretty readable. The goal of this chapter is to show just how simple and intuitive Argentum can be with its basic constructs. Almost no type declarations, and no syntax overhead. It looks like a scripting language. Yet it compiles to highly efficient, statically typed machine code, producing small standalone executables that don't rely on bulky virtual machines or frameworks. In the next chapter we'll look at Argentum conditionals, they worth looking at.